bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
It's totally normal for joints to crack without pain. That popping sound happens when tiny gas bubbles burst in the joint fluid or ligaments shift over bones. If there's no pain, swelling, or stiffness, it's usually nothing to worry about. But if discomfort or other symptoms show up, seeing a healthcare professional is a smart move. Keep moving and take care of your joints.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.